Hello students of class 9, class 10. Today I will take your English lesson 2, A Tiger in the Zoo. Okay, class 10. So at first I will read the poem. After that I will explain. Okay. So see, a tiger in the zoo. Okay. He stalks in his velvet stripes the few steps of his cage on pads of velvet white in his quiet rest. He should be lurking in shadow, sliding through long grass near the water hole while palm deer pass. He should be snarling around houses at the jungle's edge, bearing his white fags, his fox, terrorizing the village. But he now locked in the concrete cell, his strength behind bars, stalking the length of his cage, ignoring visitors. He hears the large voice at night, the patrolling cars, and stares with the brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars, mostly Norris. Okay, Leslie Norris. Clear, all of you? Now, here what the poets want to say. The poem written by the Leslie Norris wants to say, explains the agony and helplessness of a caged tiger that lives inside a cage, that lives in a zoo. Okay, that lives in a zoo. The poet explains that what his life could be if he had been a free animal. Okay, the poet has tried to explain that the condition of the animals that are caged, okay, by human beings for their own benefits in this poem. Okay, understood? So the poet begins with the description, with a description of a tiger that the tiger is very beautiful, has a very beautiful stripes on his skin, and has velvet like soft paws. Okay, but the tiger is not happy at all, and he is quite angry about being confined in the cage. Okay, the poet says that if the tiger was not confined to the zoo cage, he would have been hiding behind a long grass near some water body. Okay, in order to catch this prey, that is the deer. Understood, students? So also he would have terrorized the resident of the village around the forest area. But the reality is totally different, opposite to this. Totally opposite to this. He was confined in a cage which was made of a strong building materials and helpless there. He was complete helpless, the tiger. He could not show his power to the visitors. Therefore, he never tried to terrorize them. The tiger is described as being powerless and agonized by the poet. Understood? He says that during night also he is alone. What? Alone, hearing what? Hearing the voice of the patrolling vehicle of police, and looking at the stars. The cage life has totally changed the personality of the tiger. The point is trying to say that the animals which is famous for its fearlessness and freedom is confined and sad due to human beings who wants to derive pleasure by looking at him in the zoo cage. So here said that the animals were completely unhappy. It's all happened because of the human beings. For their benefits, for their fun, for their entertainment, what happened? The lives of these animals is being ruined. Okay, by keeping these animals inside the cage, their life has been changed. If they were free, if they would have been free, they would have do different kind of things. Their lifestyle, their personality, okay, everything would have another way. But now it became another way. Since they are inside the cage, they are helpless. Okay, here the poet wants to say that. Thank you. If you have any problem regarding this chapter, we will discuss in our Zoom class. Clear?